Hello, my name is Bipal Shakya and I am working as a software development engineer at Workday. One of the key highlights when I was choosing this course here was that it had a really good balance of data science and AI and machine learning and all of that. What stood out to me is that these were not tools and resources that were used just academically, but these are tools that are actually used by real companies to solve real world problems, right? So yeah, overall, in general, I think it's been a very, very valuable course for me. Since graduating, I've been working as a software development engineer at Workday, and I think the course has definitely helped me in my professional career. I still use a lot of the things that I've learned in my course, in my day-to-day life, in my professional career. In fact, one of the theorems that we learned is something called the CAP theorem, and that is something that came up in one of my interviews as an interview question. And I could recall back to what the teacher said in the classroom when I was answering the interview question. So that's a really, an example of an actual connection between what the industry is looking for and what the courses over here provide. Personally, I would say the biggest takeaway from my Griffith experience has definitely been the people. I've met people from all over the world with different languages, different cultures, different backgrounds, and that has been just surreal. In fact, one of my best friends is someone who I actually met in my very first class here at Griffith.